Do you want to know how you can use green screen on your v.io account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use green screen on your v.io. Go ahead and open Veed and you can create project. Go ahead and import a screen which is green. As you can see, I have already done it, so I'll go ahead and click on this video which is using a green colored screen. After a while, this page will open up. Now to access the green screen option, go ahead and click on the video which is over here. This tool will open up. Under the magic tool, if you scroll a bit down, you can see green screen option. If you enable it, you can remove a color from your video. So you can choose the color of your video and you can see that you can remove it instantly. And you can also set the sensitivity so you can see that it changes according to how you move. So you can set it to your settings, and if you can play, you can see that the green screen has been disabled. So you can do the same in green screen videos. You can use your videos in a green screen and then you can put yourself in front or the background which you want to set, and then you can decrease or increase the sensitivity according to your wish, and this way you can use a green screen in v.io. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.